Hello family, welcome back here to another tutorial on how we created this beautiful adjustable band. If it's something you'll be interested in, please do well to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your bell, because yes, this adjustable band is more pretty and more beautiful than this our regular band. So if it's something you'll be interested in, you'd like to watch, do well to hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. But making use of our elastic. You can get this from any nearby tailoring shop or a wig store. Our tape roll, scissors, and this is our adjuster and our hook. This one is called the adjuster, this one is called the hook. People in that it's more popular in Lagos. Here in Abuja, it took me days to be able to get just this one. So yeah, we'll make use of our tape roll, measure 13-inch. Others you can use 12, but we are going to make use of 13-inch of our elastic band. You can just see the way I measured it. Yes, you can make use of 12-inch, but we are using 13-inch. You know, there are some clients that their hair are quite big, so the elastic need to be long enough in case they want to adjust it. So yeah, that's it. And after that, I made this video to be very slow so that it will be self-explanatory and you'll be able to pick how to do it, because this is very simple. You can start it as a business, you can do it and be supplying to different stores. So first of all, cut out half 5-inch from the 13 we have marked. So after we cut out the 5-inch, we'll be left with 8 or 7 3/4. You see, almost 8 inches. Just that we did not cut the exact 5. I gave gap before cutting the 5 inches. So we'll now put the one that is 8 inches into the adjuster like so. When you put it, then you now bend it. Then you bend it in like so at that middle part. So you see there is still open space at the two sides. It's just that middle, you can see just that middle one that we bend. So we'll use matches too. You can make use of lighter. If you have lighter, you can make use of lighter to just burn the edge so that it won't be losing, because you need to burn those edge. If not, it will keep losing. Even the ones we get at the market, you see some of them, their edges are not burnt. So before you even sew it down, it's already bringing out this rope stuff. So after we fold it this way, we just go ahead to sew it. You can use your needle and thread or your machine. So this is after sewing. This is what it looks like after sewing it. You can see. Now it's time to put the other one, the hook. So you just put your hook like so at that not the there's a place where it's open. Yeah, this down part that is closed, that's where you fix it. And then make sure to still burn the edge on this one, and then you now fix it on the adjuster. Then use it to cover the other one we have put again and put it inside like you see the way I did it. It's just self-explanatory. You can see what it looks like. And see, you can see it back. So if you put it this way, this is how you'll be able to draw it front, then you adjust it back. So it's very simple, it's very simple. So now it's time to work with the other one. We'll just fold it like half an inch, then we'll sew that place. You can sew it using needle and thread like I said before, or using your machine. So I'll just go to my machine and sew that part. It's been long I made use of this machine. That was why the sewing was not as smooth or so professional. But if you have a sewing machine that you use regularly, definitely you know what I'm saying, it will come out very neat, because once you dump your sewing machine for long, man, coming to use it again is hell, because especially if you haven't been oiling it. So that's what happened in this my own. Now I don't know how to put it, but so this is me after sewing it down the on the half an inch. So that particular hole that we sewed down, that's what to put our hook. So you see it like so. Now you see how easily the hook just quit. Very great. You can see the way it looks, right? And so this is our finished result. Hope you learned something. Hope this tutorial was easy enough. It was self-explanatory. See you in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.